welcome back to this channel. I'm back with this tutorial to make your wallpaper more exciting and colorful and designed. I'll make your wallpaper animated in just minutes, couple of minutes. So let's get direct into the topic. So I'll leave a description link in below, so you just head towards the link. I have the link over here. What you got to do is subscribe to my channel so that you can unlock this link and access the content. I mean the software which makes your wallpaper live. I cannot subscribe my own channel right here though. You gotta subscribe once, click on the button once, you will be shown ad, and click again, you will be redirected to my page. You have to subscribe to my channel. If you don't subscribe, you won't be given access to the link. See, it's asking me to subscribe my channel. How can I do that? I cannot do that. So it will leave me. I'm admin. So unlock in process, and this process is completed, and unlock the link. Another time you'll get an ad. Don't go to these ads. Now we'll get the content now. Within a click you'll be redirected to Mega, where you have got the file. It's around 720 KB, which is a software which allows you to keep live wallpapers on your desktop and making more electrifying and energetic and look quite beautiful. So the download is complete and it will be saved to your folder, downloads folder. Now let's go ahead to your downloads folder and extract the zip file. We are here in the downloads folder. We have got to search for our desktop HUD zip file. Here we go. Let's extract to desktop HUD. This is such a small file that it will just take a couple of seconds. I hope so. Why is it taking so much time? Here we go. This is the folder. Let's open up. When you open it, you get another folder. We have got to open this one, and here we go. We have got the desktop HUD application, so that we can customize our wallpapers and give it a lively feature. So let's launch it and show you. So here it is loading up. So this is the app we need to apply our live wallpapers. Now let's get some wallpapers for our amazing desktop and make it electrifying and look cool. Guys, there are many websites from which you can pick a whole sum of live wallpapers, amazing wallpaper. I'll give the links of those websites in description below, but I'll show you example how can you set up your own live wallpaper through a tutorial now. And this website which I'll take you is mylivewallpapers.com. This website has got very minimum ads which will not annoy you, so you have got many options for yourself. Like this is the Goku or animated, this is the Asus ROG animated wallpapers, these are gaming ones, this is the famous Among Us, and this is GTA 5 Centenario Pegasus, and we have got Batman and very other wallpaper. So I'll go with this Goku one. It looks a pretty cool violet color, so you can watch the preview over here, so that you will be satisfied when you install this much. This has got some sparks out here. You can also search if you want your favorite game or favorite topic. So you got to download for desktop over here. You also got for mobile. I'll show you in another video how you can do it for mobile phone too. I think it's only available for Android. So let's start the download. So after the download is done, it will be found in your downloads folder. Now let's get to it. After downloading some bunch of favorite wallpapers of yours, what you're gonna do is go to the destination where you have extracted the desktop HUD zip file which we downloaded earlier. I'm back here where we unzipped the file desktop HUD to open the launch application. What you got to do after downloading a bunch of wallpapers is just open this application. Right away it launches, and what you got to do is select live wallpaper. This is the wallpapers you downloaded. Get into a separate video folder in your downloads folder. Search the file path when you download them. So you got over here with what we downloaded the Goku one. So let's open this and just play. So this is dazzling great wallpaper, making you look cool, ain't it? When you just minimize it, it goes to the tray over here. You can just call it back by double clicking over here and select another live wallpaper. Some of one which I have downloaded is the Cyberpunk 2077, the new futuristic game which has got a dragon wallpaper. And let's hit on play. When you click on play, this wallpaper comes to action. Ain't it cool? It comes with a glitch effect. So I'm gonna be dropping some of the website links which will give you free live wallpapers, and we'll sure make a tutorial on how to get these live wallpapers on your Android phone. It's a pretty much easy task to do, and we'll be coming up with some amazing tech soon. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, do subscribe and hit on the bell icon for more notifications on tech. And signing off, adios.